Are you scared of Yoda? Oh, she's scared of Yoda. Come here, baby. It's okay. Yoda's not scary. Come here. Come here. He's kind of scary. I know. Come here. The way he stares with his big eyes. Come here, baby. Abba. Yeah. See, it's okay. Yoda's not scary. Oh, turn the light on. I just realized how dark it is. Oh. Well, we can't see Sissy.
She's right here.
I know, but the camera can't see her. Will you turn the light on, baby?
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy. And Mark, listen, man. I'm not your friend. Don't fall asleep.
Oh, that was scary. That was the scary part. She's not sure. That's the title screen. Now it's going to play a different one.